Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like tabulas or other like that things from your Vivo Y21s. So at the start, if you see something like that in your web browser or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So in the first method, we have to open the apps in the settings, of course. Now go to the CL apps and check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just open it, click on install and click OK. After that, in the second step, go back to the apps, app list and look for your web browser. Then tap on the storage and cache, tap on the clear storage and tap on the clear all data. Now tap on the OK and your phone should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I am always using Avast, so we can launch it now. Tap on the scan now, click on the allow and enable access to the files. Now go back to the app and choose the scan type, always use the deep scan, and after scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares should be deleted from your phone. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment and goodbye.